Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today we have my second Fabfitfun annual box. So let's get into it and check it out. If you are new to Fabfitfun, Fabfitfun is a lifestyle box. It comes out spring, summer, fall, and winter. If you are an annual member, it will cost $54.99, but you pay that a year in advance and you will customize your entire box. If you choose to be a seasonal member, you pay seasonally. It is $59.99 and you will choose from the first 4 customizations. I will link at the end of this my video for my first box, because in my first box I go through all of the choices that you could have made. In this box I will just tell you what I chose and what I added. And let's get into it and check it out. I am so glad to finally be unboxing these and getting into all of these. I actually picked up a couple of things as gifts that I found in my first box. So a couple of people that I have been worrying about, what in the world am I going to get them? Because I am way behind, because, you know, when we open it up, oh, this is what it looks like. Oh, attacked by a box. We have our Fabfitfun book, and then this is what the inside looks like. So we're gonna get in here and we're gonna see what I chose. And then I also did a refill mystery bundle with this one. The funny thing is, I always do my first annual subscription, which is the box you guys have already seen me unbox. I always do my first pick choices with that one. So I always think of that as my better box. And then this is my second choices, you know, the ones that I don't put in the first box. I have to tell you, after I started unboxing the other box, I was like, you know what? I think I am looking more forward to many of the items in this box. Items that I thought at the time were kind of like, I don't know. I think these are the ones I'm actually looking more forward to. So for customization 1 in this box, I did the exact same thing that I did in my first box. Is I got both of the unhide pillows. They would let you, when you did your customization, at least if you went on in the very beginning, they would let you add 1 in each color. So that's exactly what I did, because I wanted to end up with 2 of the silver ones for my bedroom and 2 of the beige ones for the living room. And I did, and I'm very happy about that. And when you open it up, it was super flat in there, but I discovered with my other one that it was very easy to just kind of shimmy, shake it and get it good and fluffy. This is exactly the size I thought it was going to be. I know some people seemed a little disappointed by the size, but it's so soft. It feels exactly, it's the same fabric, I'm sure, exactly like the blanket. The back has a nice hidden zipper, so you can unzip it. If you need to wash the outside, be sure and read about how that's supposed to be done. And then you have your pillow on the inside. You can zip it back up, and then it tucks nicely in there, so it stays 100% completely soft. This is the beige one, and this is the silver one. I think that both of my beige ones are floofier. I think I said that in my first one, and it feels kind of true of this one, but I love this silver. This is going to be so pretty in my bedroom, but I love it. It's so soft and nice. So I have the beige and the silver. The additional selections again in customization 1 were $15. So I picked 1 as my customization and I added the other one on. In customization 2, I chose the Fila back stretcher. Oh, it's in parts. It's gonna have to be put together. I am taking this down for my husband to put together immediately for me. Here, let me open this up. Let me get this out and show you guys the picture. This is the thing that you make it into, it's like a half circle, and you put it on the floor, and then you can lay your back across it, and it will like crunch and stretch your back out and supposedly make your back feel better. So we're gonna give this a try. I figure if it doesn't do anything for me, my husband might like it, but I thought that was really worth a try, and I have been looking forward to this. In customization 3 in this box, I got, and I'm very excited about this too, the Laneige Lip Treatment Balm. I have used the Laneige Lip Treatment Balm for a very long time, the night treatment, and this is a different shape, and what I loved about this one was the applicator. Oh my goodness. I was saying in my other video, I'm kind of at a loss for words. The applicator is right in it, and it comes out and then it slides right back in that hole. Did you hear it snap in place? So it will always be with it, and you're only touching the back, so the front is staying nice and clean. Love it. Oh, that smells good. It's kind of fruity. Also looks like it might be a little shiny. It's not a lot, but it doesn't take a lot. I will love this. Depending on how well this goes, I have a little bit left in one of my, I think it's a strawberry flavored regular lip balm. I might scoop it, get something clean and scoop it into here so that I will then have this easily usable. I have the other paddle that came with my trio forever ago, but it goes into a little it has a little case, I guess is the best word, that you slip it into. So it's more work to get it out, and this is just gonna be so easy. Again, I'm looking really forward to this. Like I said, this was what I thought were all my second choices. I can't wait for that. Okay, this one seems a little weird. I know, I don't know how many people have gotten this. I haven't watched many videos yet, but I got the FRA Butter Keeper for customization 4. I know, it looks huge. And they show you can use it upside or downside. I liked that it said it had measurements on it because of Weight Watchers, although I will tell you, also a good diet, getting the pandemic, lost a lot of weight. But I measure everything. Well, these might be measurements, but I'd say they're probably tablespoons. And I'm telling you right now, if you're doing Weight Watchers, you're not doing much with a tablespoon of butter. I also liked that they said you could keep cream cheese in it. Oh, I thought it would snap on. I thought it was going to be, I can see me dragging. Well, we'll see. Butter Keeper. It is BPA free, freezer safe, in case you want to freeze your butter. I mean, it could happen. You could be making, you probably wouldn't do it from this, but you could be making a pastry that you need cold butter for. It is dishwasher safe. That is good to know. It doesn't tell you what the measurements are. So it will be interesting to set a butter in there. I can just do it while it's still in its paper and see if that is a tablespoon. It will be interesting to know, but this is something else I've been looking forward to. Okay, customization 5, I chose the insert name here, Quick Slick. Something else that has happened over the course of the last few weeks for me is a lot of hair breakage. And I've read up on it, and that is apparently something else. Well, this is hard to get out. Something else that can happen. And I tend to have hair breakage anyway. And whenever I pull my hair up, whether I'm pulling it up in a ponytail or pulling it back in a claw, which is how I live most of my life, I pull my hair back a lot. I have so much breakage. And the Quick Slick is, it's just like a mascara wand. You take it out and it makes your hair lay flat. It's a great description, right? That's why I love doing this so much. It will help your hair lay flat so it doesn't look like you have all of the broken pieces up front, and it just gives you a more sleek look. So I needed this in my life pre the last few weeks. Now I need it even more. Customization 6, there were a lot of choices. I chose the Stress Check Mood Manager. It is motion activated aromatherapy spray with ylang ylang. And that is what that looks like. I have so much of this works. I have the bed linen spray. I think I probably have some of this. I love this. It smells a lot like lavender. I love it. I use it. I don't know. I'm not going to spray it because I don't know if I said this in my last video. Because, you know, we're at that time of year. This is the time of year where everything that I think isn't perfect for me, I think, who would that be a perfect gift for? Because I certainly have enough to share and pass along. That was my choice number 6. I did not do any boosts in this box. I did my 2 lovely, again, I'll put the card at the end of this for my other video in case you missed that. I did 2 of the Barefoot Dreams blankets in my first one. I almost wish I had done more because I got them thinking me or gifts, and now that I have them and Christmas is here and I'm making decisions for people, it's such a lovely gift, but I love them. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. But I do keep a refill, and this is different from my one in my other box. This is 2204 Mystery 015. So this is my refill bundle, mystery bundle. Oh my goodness. So this is only $14, so this is a really good price. First out, we have a Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion Pore Perfecting Exfoliator. I can't use this, so I will pass this along, but someone will love it. This is a really good product in a mystery bundle. I mean, this is 2 ounces, I think. Is this the 2 ounce one? Yeah, this is the 2 ounce Pore Perfecting Exfoliator. Lots of people love that, so I will pass that along. Have another tube. This tube is Veluda Currency Grapefruit Cassis Hand Cream. I am allergic to grapefruit. If you're new to the channel, I am allergic to grapefruit, so I will find this a lovely home. Is it sealed? It is not, so I will find it a lovely home with someone that I know and love. And last but not least, I have a Muck Lux Women's headwear. It's just a toque. Oh, it's really soft, super cute. Blue. It's got a little fluffy muffy on top. It's just a nice blue. It says Mucklucks on it. It's a toque. I am not going to put it on my head because here we are in the winter. I might want to just pass this along to somebody. It's premium materials, warm and cozy. It says one size fits most. The color name is Moonstone, and they say it has a $22 value. So this alone pays for the cost of the bundle, but we also have the Dr. Brandt exfoliator and the grapefruit hand cream. Okay, that was a quick roll through of my second box from Fabfitfun for winter 2022. I cannot believe how quickly we did that. If you have any questions, let me know below. If it's something I can help with, I will. I am not in any way affiliated with Fabfitfun, but I will put a link down below that will get you $10 off your first box. I think only if you sign up seasonally. I think when you sign up annually, they don't give you any additional discounts. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I will put the card here that will take you over to the video for my first box where we go into way more detail. It's a longer video. Thank you again for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out since I'm back to making videos. Yay! And I will see you again soon, I hope. Take care out there, guys. Bye.